Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers about designing tool. If you are not really a graphic person, if you want to make something fast, here is the solution for you. Canva is a great tool for designing Instagram stories. You can use this tool on mobile as well as on laptops. For mobile, install it from Play Store. Open Play Store app and type Canva. Install this app on mobile. If you want to use on laptop and if you are more comfortable with laptop, you can design with the help of laptop as well. After installation of Canva, open Canva app. Several templates are available in Canva. Scroll down and you can see different options are available. Now click on search box and for Instagram story type Instagram stories. These are all the designs for Instagram stories. You can choose stories which are free. First option is blank. You can start from scratch to create a fresh story. So let's begin and design one Insta story. As you can see, different templates are available on topics such as friendship, self-love, weddings, anniversaries, and others. Choose your template. This helps to make Insta story faster and easier. Let's choose one template. Edit pictures and text into this template. Let's change picture. Select from your album. Select picture from gallery. You can change text. Now I will type some text here. This is the final look of the story. In this way, you can use templates available in Canva. You can add your picture, your text, your quotes, and you can even create a new one from scratch. Click on the right top save option. You can use it as Instagram story, Facebook story. You can save it as picture and others. Click on save as image option. Click save option and it will be saved as image and you can use it for your Instagram story. With the help of share option, you can share on different applications. So directly from here you can add to your Insta story also. With the help of templates, you can create fabulous Insta stories. You can build many stories. As you can see, I have created here some. So this is one of my Insta story created. In this way you can create your Insta stories. Below you can see a birthday greeting. You can create a birthday greeting for your dad, friend, mother. Into designs, you can see all your designs also. The design created by you is auto saved in Canva. Hopefully this video will help you to make more for Instagram stories. With this, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thank you for watching.